Howdy y'all, welcome to the DIY channel. Is your PC getting a little hot? You could almost barbecue on it? Now is the perfect time to learn how to do open loop water cooling. There are a ton of great DIY kits out there, so let's get into the video and get this job done. It worked out a lot cheaper to buy a bulk fitting kit that included a bunch of tubing. I went for the 14mm, there's also a 12 and a 16mm kit. But I figured in the middle the pipes won't be too thin, but they won't be too thick either. Fittings are super easy to use. They're a two-piece fitting. You tighten them by using an Allen key from the inside, and then the outer jacket just unscrews. So the way we're going to get this to fit from here to here is we're going to use a heat gun to bend it. They call this hard tubing, but it's actually quite bendy, and I have a special kit just for bending them. Everything we need for bending, filling, and some spare pipes should be in here. Perfect. Same brand of pipe as well. Got a nice filler bottle. That'll be our reamer. Cleaning tool. Tungsten. Should last ages. Oh, we got some cutters. Fittings. Big Allen key. These are our bending guides. And this should be our rubber snake. I'm just going to screw these to the bench. So we put this inside the pipe. I'm going to crank the heat gun on high, get it nice and close, and keep it rotating. And within a few seconds it starts to turn to jelly, and you want to bend it straight away. You don't want to overcook this, and then you let it cool, and just like that we have a beautiful 90-degree bend. Too easy. Rip that out. Just need a little pencil, we do. I'm going to cut it a little bit longer so that we can get it closer to the fittings to get a more accurate measurement. Well, they work good. Chop about yay much off again. Oh, I went a bit aggressive on that. Just lightly. So this deburring tool has tungsten scrapers in it, and less is definitely more. It doesn't hurt to be a few millimeters short, and it's easier to fit them in if you put the caps on the pipe and then the rubbers. Just get one end started, screw it in most of the way, but you still want it to be a bit loose, and then pop the other end in. Poly grips! I don't know how much you meant to tighten these, but I know with plumbing you do stuff up real tight. I suppose it is plumbing, isn't it? This literally took 37 seconds to heat up enough to bend, and you don't want to overdo it, because when I overcooked one, it started to collapse in on itself, and it did not look pretty. And a wasted tube is wasted money. Could have some better fittings for the CPU. Yeah, that will do it. These 90-degree fittings are going to make life a lot easier. We won't have to put two bends into our pipe, making it a lot easier to measure and a lot easier to bend. Get everything tightened up. So we just need to add our pipe fittings. Because this is mine, I'm not too worried about scratching these chrome fittings. But if you really want them to stay mint, put a bit of cardboard over them before you put the wrench on. Probably be a little bit on an angle. I think that'll be right. Rough is good enough. I want the bend about here. And just like last time, we heat it, we bend it, let it cool, and then yank on that thing. Get it close. That looks pretty good. I just need to make another one of those. Pretty even. There's the ram nicely. It's easier every time. That's all of those done. So normally you'd have a graphics card here. So what we'll do is we'll make a loop, carry the water flow through. But for now, we'll just loop everything off so we can get this build up and running. Now we're ready for our 90-degree bend. Let that cool off, square it up, put in the caps and the holes we don't need, make sure they're all tight. Now we just need to add our fittings and clean up the pipe. And now we're ready to screw it in, get it all buttoned up. My graphics card is a 3080 Ti Hybrid EVGA edition, so I'm going to use the 280mm radiator next to a 120mm radiator to fill the space in the top and be able to finish the loop on the top. Fill her on up. Now it is worth splashing out and getting good quality coolant. I got Mayhem's Berserker Blood Red. Can't wait to put the lights on. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you want to see this full build, just click up on the link above. Thanks for liking, subscribing and sharing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Perfect egg every time.